Hey guys, it's Mr. G. We're just taking a look at a simple backdrop and sprite for a race car game. That's what we're going to make right now, so let's take a look at how to do it. First thing you're going to want to do is get into your stuff, or just log in, and once you do, this is probably your first project, so you're just going to click New Project and let that load. And we're going to go ahead and delete our little goofy guy there, the cat, and we're going to go to Backdrops. We're going to use the paintbrush. I'm going to zoom out like so, and we're going to get our fill color. I'm really looking for a gray, and I want to make sure I'm on the paintbrush. And for size, we're going to go about 90. Now yours doesn't have to look just like mine, so don't get in that mindset. I can make the lines wavy and mix up what the track's going to look like. We'll see if that works. I didn't really want to go off the canvas, so let's see if this works. So I have that. The next thing I'm going to want to do, we're going to use the paint bucket, and we're going to need some much different color scheme here. Let's get a green. That's going to be our background. That will work for us. And let's click here. Now sometimes when I click there it doesn't work, and I don't know why. When I go into bitmap I can do it, and there you go. So there is my track. It looks great. I'm ready to go.